So I just got home. You guys know, a little update on my package. Bro, I get home. This is what's at my doorstep. Now at this point, I mean, if you know, you know. Finessed.
Now I was dreaming about a deal at the age of 13. I was fiending for the meals, I ain't talking Burger King. Some of my niggas in the...
What I'm trying to figure out is that I had a UPS tracking number, and this is a DHL package. Now, 100%, man, these have to be. Let's just see. Nice. Travis Scott's. I got these on eBay. 100% authentic. Paid $1,200 for these. Seller had really good feedback. Supposed to be 100% authentic. Yet it came through DHL. Bro. Box looks good though. Ooh, yeah, they smell. These are 100% fake. So talk about being finessed. But, I mean, I haven't seen like the actual retail pair in hand, but this is 100% a fake pair. I'm definitely getting my money back ASAP Rocky. I haven't bought a pair of shoes on eBay for the longest time. But I won't lie, these look good. Like down to the, I mean, I can't really say, I can't speculate because I don't have my pair. My pair will be here tomorrow. And I mean, at least I can do a comparison now, real versus fake. Wow. So, what do you guys think, man? This is what a fake pair looks like. Big finesse, bro. This is why I don't be buying shoes on eBay. Dude was a worthy seller. Thought it was a good price. Said I was gonna get them before release date. Didn't happen. The whole reason I wanted to get them before release date is obviously to do an on foot and show you guys, but finessed. I mean, thank God I got my pair on Nike. Which, I mean, this is just straight content. Like, cha-ching, you know. I'm like impressed. Like, this looks good. I can't wait to see the real pair. Like, even on the inside, you guys can kind of see the Cactus Jack right here. Stitching just looks super good. On the back tab, that looks really good. Dang. You got the little pocket. Dang. I mean, the leather is like soft too. I'm gonna do a whole comparison. I mean, I got my pair coming in tomorrow, so I'll give you guys like a video on the differences. In my opinion, bro, like based on how these look, they look so good. If you didn't get these on release day, I wouldn't buy them. Like, this is one of those shoes that you're playing with too much money to get finessed like me. Like, thank God I got a retail pair, but like aftermarket, I wouldn't buy them. I just wouldn't risk, like, these look good. Only thing is, honestly, these smell like, they actually smell like a Foot Locker pair. Like, you know, when a pair comes like straight from Foot Locker. And usually the other shoe, I swear when I open the box, it usually has like this weird like glue smell. Like you can tell it's fake, but these actually smell legit. That's scary. Like, man, look at the details on this. I really can't wait to see my pair tomorrow, because this is crazy. So I'm gonna, once I get my pair tomorrow, I'll do like a comparison video, so look out for that, man. But I can just tell you, first off, I know these are fake just based on that. Like, come on, that's sus. But it's supposed to be a real pair. I'm not gonna put the dude on blast, but I will be calling PayPal right meow. So stay tuned, man. It's like I took an L, but I took a W at the same time. But alright guys, this is your boy ASneakerLife. I'll catch you in the next one. Run it.
Hands in the air now.